How to make Sympy acknowledge that 0 divided by 0 is a division by 0. I am trying to make Sympy evaluate the expression x/x at the value x equals 0 in such a way that it raises an exception or returns nan. For example, the following code returns a 1. This is simply false. It is true that the limit of x/x as x approaches 0 is 1, but in terms of its actual value at x equals 0, it is undefined. I want Sympy to raise a division by 0 exception or return nan, which is the mathematically correct answer. In fact, the problem exists already before I substitute x equals 0. Returns a 1. Thanks for any help you can give.
As you noticed, the issue is that x evaluates to 1 immediately, so a subsequent substitution of x by 0 is not really happening. A way to avoid evaluation is to pass evaluate equals false flag to the product of x with 1x. The result is not a number, meaning this does not evaluate to a number. In Sympy, all division is multiplication by reciprocal quantity. There are add, mul, POW, but no div or sub.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.